Hello there. There's been a lot of stories going around. Doctors refusing to treat patients or even operate patients without you know what state injected death sentence. There's been a few cases. The most important one was a court ruling here in Italy, which was being overruled by what they call Consiglio di Stato, the Supreme State Court, suspended this ruling from TAR, Italian region of Lazio. Well, mainly the sentence saying doctors can prescribe any pharmaceutical which they see for their patient should take after evaluating the patient's health conditions, basically. No, we got this notorious villain called health minister here in Italy called Speranza. He's been writing a type of protocol for home pre-hospital recovery due to the allergy. Those people manifest symptoms of this sickness instead of going straight to hospital, you keep them there for 5 days, and you're giving them the famous pharmaceutical tachyperin to low down your temperature if you've got it. Problem is, this pharmaceutical just only burns and your internal organs, inflammates it, gets swollen inside your vital organs. By the time you arrive to hospital, you're already gone. In most cases, people arrive in the ambulance at casualty, already dead. There were people appealed against it, which ruled against this protocol of the health minister here in Italy, the Novartis Consiglio di Stato, overruled this sentence. And we've been in stories of bureaucracy. If you don't have this medical treatment from the state, they refuse to treat you or visit you. There was a few cases here in it. I remember there was this lady. They refused to treat because she didn't took the swab test. She had problems with her pregnancy, and they abandoned this poor lady in the middle of the car park. She had a miscarriage. Absolutely disgusting. There was a patient which has suffered from Down syndrome. This was left in hallways of casualty for hours and hours and hours, and what she entered in with a health problem. In the end, she died in the arms of one of her relatives. When the doctor turned around to see fit to visit her, her urgency was devalued as a minor case. And obviously she was manifesting and protesting. They just leave it there. There's not enough. This thing they want to make us take is doubtful, and you want to make us die in hospitals. Doctors, your duty are to visit and treat patients, whatever they got. You cannot impose as a condition if you have that or do a test. Not doing so you do not fulfil your duties as doctors, and you're committing a criminal offence. I think a whole serious offence. And when people start reporting these as crimes to the authorities, I don't know whether you continue as a profession as a doctor or physician in any country